Very good afternoon, sir. So, under the initiative Thoughts on Education, I will be conducting this interview. I am Samiran Ghosh and I am a Business Development Manager here. Can you please give us brief introduction of yourself, sir?
Yeah, myself, Mr. Satish, Director for Alliance College of Hotel Management as well as Business Management from Visakhapatnam. The thing is that our college is affiliated with Andhra University, and at the same time, we started this college with 30 students. Right now, 1,000 plus students are studying in this college, and we feel proud for that. This is the college is established in the year 2003, and since inception, whatever the students' needs, requirements, we are fulfilling and making parents also happy through this.
Yes, sir. I mean, obviously, we also know that Alliance College has a very good reputation in the market. And thank you for that brief introduction. So, sir, I will move on to the next question. Sir, what are the facilities being provided to the students in the sense infrastructure and technology?
Like Alliance College is fully equipped with all the needs, requirements of present generation. Particularly, all the classrooms are totally AC. Every classroom is a digital classroom, and classrooms are fully Wi-Fi enabled. And at the same time, every classroom is CCTV monitored. So we wanted the students to learn as per tomorrow's trend, and we are ready by yesterday only.
Okay, sir, that's a very nice answer to the question. So moving on to
At the same time, our college is having a hotel management, which is very, very important. Particularly, practicals are very, very essential for the hotel management students. So we are having state-of-art facility in practical labs, particularly front office, service, production, housekeeping, and as well as computer lab. We are having a bakery also. So we wanted the students to get more knowledge through practical exposure. So for that, we are everything set for the students as per the standards of 5-star hotel.
Okay, sir. Sir, moving on to the next question. So as you must know that for every institution, affiliation is really important. So can you tell about the Alliance's affiliations?
You asked a very good question. Particularly, Alliance College is associated and under Andhra University, Visakhapatnam, and which is a reputed university in India. And at the same time, it is ranked with a very, very good position all over India as well as world also. So Andhra University offers Bachelor's of Hotel Management 3 years course, Bachelor of Business Administration 3 years course. Both are given by Alliance College.
Thank you, sir. That's very well put. And that's a lot of insight about your college. So, sir, now moving on to the student side of the institute. So, sir, how do you groom the students at Alliance? Like, how do you track their development?
No, basically, right from we have a system called Proctor system. This Proctor system, for every 20 students, one Proctor will be there who is taking care of the student. Like he may be having a problem with the senior as well as junior, or with his classmate or a management or any staff member or anyone. See, he cannot directly handle. So he will in turn go to the Proctor. Proctor will take care of it. And so that student also will have an interest to come attend classes every day without any disturbance. And in addition to that, whatever the student requirement, I'm available almost around the clock for the student for any kind of support. My door is an open door policy where any student can enter inside and ask his queries, and any of issues will be solved immediately.
Yes. So that's a lot of thinking about the students, and that's really great. Even the student will feel comfortable if they can directly talk to you. Okay, sir. Moving on to the next question. Earlier, you mentioned about the hotel management. So, sir, at Alliance College, what are the opportunities you are providing to the hotel management students?
Alliance College, right from starting, our Alliance alumni students are settled all over the world, globally. Particularly, when you take an example, our students right now working in Singapore, Malaysia, Maldives, South Africa, West Germany, Australia, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman, and everywhere. Not only abroad, within India also, our students are placed in Delhi, Noida, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and Kolkata and other places of Hyderabad as well as Visakhapatnam in five-star properties. Particularly, we are having a tie-up with almost all five-star hotels in India as well as abroad. So, which made our placement cell job very easy, because this is almost 18th year we are running this college. So, all our students are also well settled all over India as well as world. They are very, very good help for us for providing jobs for our students.
Okay, sir, that's really great. Sir, we also got to know that you also provide the business management course. So,
Yes.
Alliance, so can you please tell me about that course and how the placement session works and how do you run this management program?
This business management course has got a four specializations, particularly HR, marketing, finance, as well as IT. So our students are placed all over every MNC company. You name an MNC company, already our students are working. Maybe it is Uber, Amazon, Flipkart, then again go to HDFC, HSBC, or any MNC company, including fast movable consumer goods, FMCG, what we normally say. In that particular areas also, our students are well placed. And coming to the insurance sector as well as banking sector, our finance students are doing very excellent results they are giving in the companies, and we are getting good appreciation for the same.
Okay, sir. So there's something about the students. So in every college, there is like a diverse group of students. So how do you handle the slow learners at your institution?
So in fact, whatever you asked, a very, very good question. And this is to be focused by every institution. See, we want the overall growth of each and every student. It is not that very few people go and get a good package and others are not doing anything. We provide in such a way all the students are well placed, particularly if who is like normally we'll have a Telugu medium background students or from village background students. These people are not fast learners. For that particular thing, what we normally do, initially orientation program, we divide those people and we focus on special concentration for a 3-month period, which makes everybody to be at par.
Okay, that's really great. That even helps economically background students and the slow learners at the same time.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, some questions about your college itself. So, sir, do you provide any kind of scholarships to help the economically background students?
Yes. Actually, this particular scholarship is totally for economically backward. We should thank government of Andhra Pradesh. They are given full support for economically backward students. They get almost fees reimbursement for their course. In addition to that, they get 20,000 additionally for their accommodation or for staying in Visakhapatnam, or even if they are localate also, Jagananna Vasati Divana, we normally call, they get additionally 20,000 rupees.
So, another question about you. So, sir, you have been a higher dignitary of this college for such a long time, and even you had such an amazing background. So, sir, what is your thoughts on leadership? Can you give some suggestion? How should a leader be?
Leader is not a leader. Leader is a born normal person. And only thing is that we ourselves should not feel that we are leader. We are a team member. We have to work in a team, and it definitely give a good result. Particularly right from 2003 to till date, our staff very, very less resignations are there. See, whatever you call replacements are also we don't require, because the people who are joined with us, they work, they're almost working about 2 decades. So we normally, this is actually, I did my specialization in human resource management, and I feel definitely if the person human resource taken care that much, definitely they will never leave us, and which will be definitely an advantage for the students also. From the day 1 to end of their course, they will definitely have their faculty with them even at any moment of time.
Yes, that's a really great answer to my question. Sir, I would like to end the interview with a short question. Sir, any message you want to give to the current youth, the aspiring students?
Yeah, one thing is that this present current youth, see, we are seeing the students from 2003, to till 2020, almost 18 years. See, it is we can say it's one generation also. Comparing with those students, the present students are more intellectual. They have more knowledge, but only thing is that focus is not there. So they have to focus more because facilities are more nowadays comparing with earlier. Even at the time of our education, it is very difficult to get even internet also. For 1 hour internet, we used to pay 150 rupees.
Yes.
Nowadays, it's in fingertips. So only thing is that what I wanted is that people should utilize the technology and the advantage of the technology in a positive way. What these people are wasting their time in the technology, how much is friendly to them, they are wasting their time with this help of technology. They should utilize the technology. That's more important.
That's a wonderful message to our students, sir. Sir, at the end, I would like to thank you for your time and your consideration and accepting the offer for the interview. And that was a lot of knowledge and insight about your institution. And we look forward to work with you in the future. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.